Good morning, everybody. Good morning, coaches. This is Coach Ryan. Hello sa Team Infinity Worldwide. Kumusta na po kayo? So, dito po, no, naka-base po ako sa Canada. Ngayon, winter na dito sa amin. So, tingnan nyo na po. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. No? Yan. Medyo malamig na dito. Yan, nandito ako sa labas ngayon. No? Kararating ko lang. Galing sa school kasi inihatid ko yung anak ko. So gusto ko lang bumati sa inyo and hello, to say hi. Nagda-drop by lang ako. I want to congratulate everyone na kumita ngayon. Today is payday, no? At dito sa Live Good, napaka-exciting kasi ang dami ng nabagong buhay. So kung kayo po ay hindi pa member, magpa-member na kayo. All you have to do, attend our Zoom meeting every day. Ang dami pong matutunan dito. Yung mga trainings natin, hindi lang natin may apply sa Live Good, may apply din natin sa mga traditional business natin. And everything is free. Bakit nga pala ako sumali sa Live Good? Kasi grabe dito, no? Napakaganda ng mga products, organic products. And it's organic, you know, it's good for health. Hindi ka lang dito maging healthy, maging wealthy ka pa. So kasi napaka-exciting ng mga kitaan dito. Ang maganda dito, napakaliit ng puhunan, no? Sa puhunan na maliit, pwede kang kumita ng $2,047 monthly, month after month. At kung member ka naman, dahil may products tayo, kasi hindi pwedeng walang products dito. Kasi pag isang company walang products, ay sigurado scam na yan. Right? Kasi hindi naman pwede na pinapaikot mo lang yung pera. At ito po ay US based. At ang good news dito, nagsisimula lang noong December 2022. So ako po ay naging silver in 1 month, 15 days gold rank, 44 days platinum, and in 5 months naging diamond rank tayo. At dahil po ito sa consistent tayo at self-motivated. Nagpapasalamat ako sa aking Team Infinity Worldwide, dahil kayo po ay part ng aking success. And I know, no? I hope and pray. I really prayed for you guys na maging diamond rin kayo. Wag tayong tumigil kasi ang isang business, pag hindi ka focus at hindi ka hands-on, hindi ka mag-succeed dito. So lahat tayo magjo-join tayo dito. You have to believe and succeed. Kasi wala tayong goal dito, wala tayong dreams. Ang Live Good po ay hindi para sa iyo. Alagaan natin yung subscription natin kasi yan po yung daming mga companies na subscription companies, membership club. Diyan sila kumikita ng $1 billion. $1 billion monthly and yearly, kagaya ng Netflix, Costco, Amazon. Diyan sila kumikita ng billions. And the good thing, Live Good use the business model of those $1 billion companies. So guys, gusto ko lang i-promote yung promotion ng Live Good ngayon kasi sa December 13 it's our anniversary, no? Mag 1 year pa lang ang Live Good, because Live Good started just last year, December 13, 2022. And grabe, no? 880,000 tayo membership, 880,000, mag 1 million tayo this month. Kaya walang ibang companies na nakakagawa niyan. Only Live Good, and it's a history in the making. Record breaking talaga nangyayari. And then sa promotion ngayon ng Live Good, pag maka-enroll ka ng isa, right? Maka-enroll ka ng isa before December 13, imamatch ng company, maging dalawa na, no? Maging 2 na yung entries mo sa $10,000 na draw. Alright? Anything more than 1, kasi maka-invite ka ng 10, right? Yung 9 na yon, idodouble ng company, maging 18. So yung 18 18 ka entries na yon para po yun sa $50,000 na draw, no? Na drawing. So who knows, you might be the lucky winner. And grabe pag mamigay ng pabonus si Live Good. And grabe, no, $10,000 and $50,000. Ang gagawin lang natin is damihan natin yung enrollees natin before December 13. And of course, more enrollees, more entries to win, more chances of winning the $10,000 and $10,000 and $50,000, right? Anybody that you will enroll after December 13, hindi na imamatch, isa na lang, no? But you still be included, no? Anything you join after December 13 to December 31, anybody that you will enroll after that date, right? You will have the chance to win also, like $10,000 to $50,000 for our draw, right? So what are you waiting for? Yeah, enroll lots of people, lots of enrollees, and who knows, you will be the lucky winner. So congratulations sa inyo lahat. So tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. I'm committed for 2 years to do this business. How about you? Do you wanna commit 2 years? So kung sinong sasabay sa akin, magda-diamond talaga kayo, guys, no? Mabagal man kayo, mabilis man kayo, sa diamond pa rin yung papunta mo. So be positive all the time, kasi pag positive ka lagi, positive yung result. Pag negative ka, negative result. So which one do you wanna choose, right? Negative, positive. So walang magandang kahihinatnan yung nag-iisip ng negative. Guys, I'm always here for you to support you, and ikaw ang gagawa ng pangarap mo dito. Ikaw ang magagawa ng success story mo. So tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo, and dito guys, napaka-exciting kasi I know someday, no, magre-retire tayo ng maaga dito. Hirap mo dito, ang pagod mo dito, ang sipag mo dito, right? Magpuyat ka man, no, hindi naman lahat ng oras magpuyat tayo, mag-success tayo dito. We have lots of time to enjoy with our family, na. This is a passive income, guys. So big sabihin ng passive, natutulog ka man, nagbabakasyon ka man, nagkasakit ka, may kita ka. Kasi we are subscription company and a membership club. So congratulations sa inyo guys to this payday, and enjoy your earning, and tuloy-tuloy lang hatawan. See you. God bless everyone. See you at the top. Bye.